Welcome back, folks. Today you join us as we go up to Beckley Park. Now the owner of Beckley Park you're going to know from something else. It's Guy and Joe from Vanlife Fest, but not a lot of people know they actually own a campsite as well, so that's where we're heading today. So it's a few hours later, it's almost midnight. We've just got to the campsite. We are now on a pitch. I'm not going to show you outside because it is obviously dark and there are people in a van next to us there, which I don't really want to disturb. So in the morning, apparently the sunrises are beautiful and the views from here are spectacular. So we're looking forward to that. So we'll pick you back up in the morning, but for now, it's time to get some sleep. Good morning, folks. Right, let's go and have a look and see what the sights are outside. It is a bit windy. We can hear the wind whistling around, so fingers crossed we get a nice, well, I think the sun's definitely up because it's about 7:30, so let's go and have a quick little look, shall we? Okay, it's a little bit drizzly, but other than that, what a view. That is lovely, isn't it? Let's say there's people next to us there and people over there, and Mr. Frug is all the way up there with Joe. Right, well I think it's time to get some breakfast. Well, the sun's finally up and the wind is a-blowing, but look at the view. What a beautiful place. We're just heading down over here. There's a place where you can put your stickers, we believe. There's a little picnic area here, which is quite cool, and a big old outdoor Jenga. Right, there we go. People have put their stickers up. Look like we're going to have to add ours to it. Joy of being a hobbit. There we go, in place. Right, on we go. Well guys, we have arrived at Vanlife Festival. Things are starting to set up. We are in the Field of Dreams, just down here. You can see it's just over there. There's still vans arriving, and the event doesn't properly start really till tomorrow or even Saturday for the day visitors. Looks like it's going to be a really good event. We're going to have a quick little look around before the chaos starts tomorrow. I can honestly say this event is looking like it's even bigger than last year. I know they said it would be, but wow, music. Oh yeah. Okay, well that's our day done with the van. What an amazing day it's been. Loads of great people coming around and saying hi. Been great to meet them. Hopefully you guys are watching this video. And of course we come over to see Roma. If you guys are looking for a battery, this is the place to come. Come and see these guys, they will look after you. Right guys, we're back at the van and it's food time. Today we have meatballs and tagliatelle. You go tagliatelle or am I getting it wrong?
Tagliatelle.
Tagliatelle, right. Don't think I got it wrong then. Oh, that's looking good. And yes, we are absolutely hammering the Roma battery today. Literally everything's going Starlink, we've got the inverter going, the lot, and it's doing just fine. So big shout out to Roma, powering the van solid. Oh, that looks good. Okay guys, here we go, dinner is served. That looks good. We're going to tuck in. Well, it's a bit later in the evening now. The light's gone down and we're down. We're one of the band areas. There's about 3 or 4 of these areas here. I appreciate the light level's a little low. And then there's the big main stage over the far side. It's a really cool vibe. And we've got the night stalls out as well.
No, but like in this one over here.
Still quite a lot here. Obviously we've not had much chance to look around it today because we've been busy. There's always tomorrow to have a little look as well. But we're going to carry on round.
I'm scared to be, not convinced that I deserve you until I found that he just do what he please. Shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me. Come together right now. Over me. Gosh,
And everyone brings their pets along and look. So there's a happy chappy. Love that, that's awesome. Right, okay, so this is a bit busier. There's that. John and Lauren can't be far away. I'm sure we'll find them. Well, just keep on looking. Morning folks, it is Saturday morning. It's about 5 to 10. The doors are about to open on the show. We're all ready to go. The sign's up, flag is up. So far, nice bright morning. Everybody else is getting ready. Should be a great day. Right guys, for dinner this evening we came to the pasty bus. Oh yes, if you run into these guys at a show, you're going to have to go and get yourself a pasty. They are absolutely top quality. The man's going to say hi to the camera.
How we doing, guys? Lovely to meet you all.
There we go. So if you do run into these guys at the show, come and get some grub. Definitely worth doing.
We are all on our way to the music venue to see what's happening there, see the band that's playing and seeing anybody we can meet up. And here is all of our friends, all in front of me there.
Come on in, Lauren, let's see your hula hoop skills.
Oh, my fucking chin! Go again.
We'll have to bleep that bit out.
Chin on my chin!
Wow, wow, wow.
I sometimes feed the sparrows too. It gives me a sense of enormous well-being. Can you sing this with my mum, please? Thank you so much. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right guys, we've come out to have a little look around the rest of the Field of Dreams. There's lots of other different vehicles here, all different shapes and sizes. And I've just noticed that they've got some of the trucks like my friend has in America. So this is the same size as his. Obviously it's got the scalp piece on the back, but basically that is the same size. Looks a lot bigger in this country, to be fair, but it's fairly big when he's over there. We've got a few other different American vehicles and then some older ones over there. Got other different options, lots of different shapes and sizes of the vehicles. And it's everybody living their dreams their way. In the corner here we've got some smaller units, an I spot. Our friend Jack, he's got his van open. In this, by the looks of things, he's not at the van. There we go, there's Jack's van. Remember to check him out. We've got some bigger overlander stuff here. And as usual with these events, the offering of food does not disappoint. We've got magic mushrooms, got toasties, fish and chips, nachos. Wow, ice cream, of course, Thai banana. Plenty to choose from. And there we have it guys, that's the end of another show and another great year up at Vanlife. It was a really good event. We didn't film as much as we wanted to, but hopefully we're giving you a flavour for the show. We did spend a lot of time in the Field of Dreams, showing the van off, and for all those people who came around to the van and met with us, it was really great to meet you, great to hear some feedback from you, and we'll see you at the next show. If you did enjoy the video, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and notification bell to when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.